Hey y'all, this is Meredith, and this is how to add a calendar event in the new calendar view. So I'm going to start by going to the red button in the bottom right hand corner with the plus sign. I'm going to click once. It's going to open up my calendar event. I am going to add a meeting, so meeting with curriculum, and I'm going to choose the date. This is going to be on the 30th, and I'm going to choose the time. If I wanted it to be all day, I would put it here. And now I'm going to add my event details. If I want to add a location, let's add, this is going to be in the conference room. And if I wanted to add a hangout, a link to a hangout, I could here. Notifications, 10 minutes is perfect. I can choose which calendar I want to add that to. This is going to go to my regular account. And if I wanted to add any description to it, I could down here. Now, if I want to invite guests to my event, on the right-hand side, I need to go and type their name in. Okay, so I'm going to actually invite myself. And you can choose which options your guests have. Can they modify the event? Can they invite others? Can they see the guest list? I'm going to uncheck invite others. I don't want my guests to be able to invite other people, but it's okay that they see the guest list. When I'm done, I just need to hit save. It's going to automatically ask if I want to send invitations because I have invited someone. I'm going to choose to send them an invitation. And here's my meeting right here at 10 a.m. with curriculum.